Right now we have the Spanish Police Air Unit deployed here, with a total of 4 drones, as well as in other parts of the capital and the province, where those drones are collaborating in these tasks of previewing what is happening in the inside. For us, this is a very important task that our colleagues from the Police Air Unit are carrying out. Why? Because with these drones, we will be able to get inside the garage and have a first visual of what is happening, of what the exact situation looks like.
Exacto, sí. Exacto, por ahí.
The problem is that this is going to take a long time to recover. There will be aid coming in a few months, as it always happened. People will no longer remember. But, well, we'll need to carry on. There is no other way.